Good morning. Oh my gosh, there is a wasp in here. How did they get in here? Where is he? Can y'all see that? I'm kind of scared. You know, I'm grown to just let bugs be bugs. Like, as long as they're not bothering me, whatever. But anyway, I am vlogging today because I'm gonna take my kids to the little trampoline park, and I just decided to vlog the experience because you guys always say that you want to see like the more personal side of Dyana from Wedding Boss Mama. So I'm giving you guys a vlog today. I just wrapped up a discovery call with one of you all. It was really good. I'm super excited to soon be her money mindset coach, which, by the way, if you have not signed up for my wait list, please sign up through the description box below. If you let fear and self-doubt, always self-sabotage, will cause you to self-sabotage your ability to boss up financially. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap up a little bit of client work, do some Instagram planning, and then wake my kids up and get this day started. You sleepy? It's time to wake up. The sun's awake. Is it bright? What are you doing?
I burnt my eyes.
You burnt your eyes. Ew, you got a crusty face. Say good morning.
What happened to my face?
It's dirty.
It's right here.
Yeah, she's already in the car. No, she's not running in the street. She's in the car. King, guess where we're going?
Where are we going?
No, that's what guess means. No one guessed.
Oh, to the park?
No, it's hot outside.
I don't know.
We're gonna go to the trampoline park.
Yay!
That wasn't really excitement, but okay. No, it's way too hot. Way too hot. It says it's 96 degrees and it's hot and muggy out. So I'm gonna go inside with the air. Turn it down. All right, but I'm getting a caffeine headache because I did not have time to stop and get coffee this morning because I had a call as soon as I woke up. So I'm gonna go do that now. Otherwise my whole day will be ruined because my head is going to be pounding. So let's go to Starbucks.
I'm hungry.
I literally just fed you. Yes, I did.
That was in the morning.
Alright, can I get a tall iced coffee with cream, 2 pumps of caramel syrup, and 1 pump of classic?
How many cups of caramel?
2.
And 2 cups of what?
Just 2 pumps of caramel and 1 pump of the classic.
That'll be okay today.
That's it.
Alright, me $3.29.
Alright, thank you. Huh? Oh crap. Well, I can ask for it up here. take out in cash, and someone decides that she doesn't want to go to the trampoline park because she goes all the time. She wants to go to a kids museum. This is Arkansas. We don't have things like that really. And like that's the dilemma because they do have an age gap. So a place where he can go for his age group would be too small for her, and like vice versa. So now someone give him his iPad. So you try to be nice, and then there's always one that has to complain. Okay, we still don't know where we're going, but I just basically budgeted off general admission price. Typically it's about $7 for her and maybe $10 for me. So I budgeted $60. This is going to be for activities and our food. And if push comes to shove, I do have additional money in my other envelopes, but I just went ahead. Sir, are you going to wait? I just went ahead and took it out in cash, so I have a visual reminder of how much money we have left. I am not going to stress myself out and worry about where we're going specifically right now. I'm just going to go and get food and then deal with that whenever I'm eating, because we all know what happens when we're hungry. But yeah, we'll figure it out. We did look into the mini golf course, and they have like a game room and race cars, go-karts, but it's so hot. It's 96 degrees. It's at the peak of the day, and I just feel like taking my 4-year-old out there and myself is going to be a hot mess. It's going to be a hot mess. So I don't know. Hopefully, this is the bad part about living in Arkansas, because we don't really have a lot of things. We tend to build the same type of things over and over and over again, and we don't really think outside the box when it comes to giving us something to do, unfortunately. All we have to do is eat, and that's it. That's all we build: restaurants and fast food places and gas stations. So yeah, I will check back in whenever we get to the restaurant. Table. It's 45 minutes wait, and it's super hot. Unbearably hot. Alright, good. Yes, we're all gonna get water. Water for y'all. Okay, do y'all need time to look over there? Yes. Okay. Thank you. No, we're not getting starters.
Okay. So, I want
hot. I'm having to like fan him because their air is not working. You're so hot. Drink your water. All right, so it's now about 5:13. We just got done eating. 5:11. Just got done eating, and it would have cost us $23.59, but the guy that was sitting beside our table asked if he could pay for our meal, and initially I'm like, no, you know, I got it, but I'm trying to get out of that. So I did let him pay for it, and I left a $4 tip. And what I love is he didn't make it super awkward. I'm like, girl, let this man pay for you. He did not ask me for my number, anything like that. Said thank you, and then he left. He was like, have a good day. So that saved us $24. So far I've only come out $7.29, so $3.29 for my coffee, and then $4 for the waitress, which the service for every table, it seemed like, was not good. So yeah, she was only getting $4. So I think we've decided now we're gonna go to the trampoline park. I'm trying to sit for a minute because the restaurant had no air, as you saw, and it's just, this day is just turning out to be a hot mess. So whenever I get myself together, my air starts coming in through the car, we will pull off and I guess jump around. So we just got to the trampoline park. It looks super crowded judging by all the cars in the parking lot, so I'm hoping there's no wait time and not a lot of germy kids. Wait a minute, Bubby. Totally looks like
what?
there's gonna be a lot of people.
But it's long.
Yeah, come on.
It's a monkey bar.
No, that's where you put your bike. Crowded in here. But this, I cannot take this. Like it looks like this everywhere, and I paid $40 for us to get in here. It's overcrowded. I don't think that they planned this accordingly when it kind of came to like the capacity, and they have not enough workers. So there's food everywhere, there's trash everywhere, there's crap all over the floor in the bathrooms. But I'm trying to stay for the 2 hours because I paid $40, and you know I don't want to waste my money. But this is not somewhere I would come in. Do not recommend. Definitely do not recommend. Okay, so we did not quite make it the whole 2 hours because it was just way too crowded. I don't do well in places with a lot of kids, and my head is pounding. My head is pounding. And I felt like I was gonna pass out. Like, it was so hot. Once again, their air could not keep up with the heat today, and it just had so. Micaiah, give him some. I'm about to get something to eat and call it a day. Yeah. Wait, baby. Hello. What? Yes. All right, so I did want to wrap up the vlog by going over the totals so you guys can see if we stayed within budget or if we came over budget. So I did go to Starbucks that morning for $3.29, and then I left a $4 tip for lunch. And then Urban Air did cost a lot more than what I had initially thought it would. For some reason, they charged my son, which I'm used to his age group being free because he's only 4, but he had to pay to get in as well. So that was $38.11. And then for IHOP, the woman, she was really sweet. So I rounded the total up to $25 with her tip included, which put me at a grand total of $70.40 for the entire day. So we did come over budget by $10. So I did wind up having to pull a 10 from my beauty budget envelope in order to complete the meal for IHOP. But that guy paying for our lunch really did help. It really was a blessing because that allowed me to go and get dinner for the night, which after Urban Air and everything, all of the tantrums, all of the fights, all of the meltdowns, all of the attitude, I wasn't gonna cook. Like, I just wasn't gonna do it. But I did I left it a little raw because it's just real life. It's just single mom life, or just mom life in general when you were out with your kids. And in my mind, I did initially think that it was kind of like a fail because I had this perfect fun day all planned out in my head. And then, you know, when the tantrums start coming in and the attitude starts coming in, it just gets super frustrating and overwhelming. And the heat, y'all, the heat did not help. So I don't know. I will probably continue vlogging from time to time during this summer. I'm trying to think of like a crafty name for it, like my debt-free life or something. I don't know. That's kind of corny. I don't know. I'll figure it out as I go on. But hopefully this vlog was really entertaining to you all. I will continue to do more. But until then, I will catch you all in the next video.